But if you're watching this, you're not sure how we got one or more of these answers. So I'm going to walk through them. We're always doing that inverse operation. We want to isolate the variable, get m all by itself, to do the inverse operation. And one of the ways we had to do that was to subtract, because the opposite of plus is to subtract. And so we subtract from both sides of that equal sign. We're going to do the same thing to both sides, so keep it equal. And we're going to subtract whatever this number is. So we're going to subtract negative 2.3, subtract negative 2.3. Now, when you're subtracting a negative, you're going away from the negatives. You're going more positive. If you're subtracting a negative, you're taking away negatives, which is really like adding a positive. You're going further positive. So negative 7 plus 2.3 is going to give us a negative number, but we're going closer to 0. And so negative 7 plus 2 is negative 5. Negative 7 plus 2.3 is going to give us negative 4.7. And anything minus itself, negative 2.3 minus negative 2.3 is 0. And so those go away, and we're left with m equals negative 4.7. You can check that to make sure it works. Negative 2.3 plus negative 4.7 should equal negative 7. Well, if they're both negative, and we're adding, we're starting negative, we're going more negative. Negative 2.3 plus more negative 4.7. Negative 2 plus negative 4 is negative 6. Negative 0.3 plus negative 0.7 is another one. So you have the negative 7 equals negative 7. And it works. Next one. Again, I told you there were two ways that you could work with these negatives. We could also say, well, I want this to be 0. Because if that's 0, then z would be isolated. So how can I make that 0? Well, it's negative 3/4. If I add 3/4, negative 3/4 plus 3/4 is 0. So I add 3/4 to both sides. 5/4 plus 3/4 is going to give me 8/4. And 8/4 is going to be 2. Just like 8/4 will give you $2. We can check that work to make sure it is correct. Negative 3/4 plus 2 equals 5/4, which we need to get the common denominator. So negative 3/4 plus 8/4 is going to equal 5/4, because that's the hope. If we start negative 3 and we add 8, we're going to end up at 5/4, which means it works. Negative 5/4 equals 5/4. We got the right answer. Last one to check. Again, same idea. I'll do the minus and negative for this one, because the opposite of plus is minus. So I subtract whatever number's over there. And if I do my keep, change, I've got 33 plus positive 11, which gives me 44. I plug that in, negative 11 plus 44. That should equal 33, hopefully. Let's find out. Negative 11 plus 44, it starts at 11 below, and gets 44 degrees warmer. It's going to end up at 33 degrees. So it works. And that's how we do with those three problems.